Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying requirements. A Samsung S23 Ultra with Android 13 or newer and an active Google account. Once done, enable NFC in settings connections so taps will register. Next, install or update Google Pay from the Play Store and sign in. This links your account and lets the app fetch saved cards. Make sure location and background permissions are allowed so nearby terminals and security flows work correctly before adding a card. Now add a card. In Google Pay, tap Add a Payment Method, choose Card and scan or type the number. Include expiry and CVV. Once submitted, your bank will request verification, follow SMS OTP, email link, or open your bank app to approve. After verification, Google Pay tokenizes the card for secure use. This replaces your card number with a device-specific token. Finally, when prompted, set Google Pay as the default contactless app, so tap to pay, wake the S23 Ultra, then hold the top back of the phone near the terminal until you feel a vibration and the screen shows payment success. For larger amounts, you may need to confirm with biometrics or your device PIN. This is an extra security step. If a payment fails, make sure NFC is on, reopen Google Pay, check your default tap setting, update the app, restart the phone. And finally, contact your bank if tokens still fail to authorize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.